If you're running an e-commerce store, you know what? You are sitting on an absolute goldmine of data. Seriously. Today, we're going to grab our virtual shovels, and I'll show you exactly where to dig to find the hidden revenue that's already waiting inside your business. Let's dive in.
Think about it. Every single order you've ever processed tells a story. It's whispering secrets about what your customers really want, what they're pairing together without you even asking. So the big question is, are you listening? Because unlocking those secrets, that's the key to some serious growth.
And that's really the core idea here. The answers you're looking for, they're not out there somewhere. They're already in your data. You don't need a huge budget for some fancy new tool. You just need to learn how to ask the right questions of the information you've already got. Okay, so that brings us to the how, right? How do we actually find these powerful little insights? Well, the answer is a technique called market basket analysis. And it's all about finding what we call power pairs. You know, the products your customers just naturally buy together, time and time again.
Now hold on, don't let a technical name like that scare you off. Market basket analysis isn't about some crazy complex math. At its heart, it's just a super practical tool. It's designed to answer one simple, crucial business question. What do people buy together, and how can I use that knowledge to make more money? That's it.
And this is all about action. We're not just digging around for fun facts that are kind of interesting. No way. We are looking for crystal clear insights that you can immediately turn into smarter merchandising on your website, more effective emails, and ads that actually convert. So what's the real payoff here? I mean, why should you even bother? Let's break down the actual, tangible benefits this can have for your store. And the impact is huge. It really is. Suddenly, you can create those irresistible, frequently bought together bundles. You can build cross-sell recommendations that actually work because they're based on what people are already doing. This data even helps you design smarter site navigation, make way better inventory calls, and run hyper-efficient ads and emails. It literally touches every single part of your business. Okay. This all sounds great in theory, but how do you do it? Like, what are the steps? Let's walk through the playbook. It's a simple 5-step plan to get you started right away. See? It's really straightforward. First, you just pick one goal. Something like, I want to increase my average order value. Easy enough. Second, you define your basket, which for you is probably just your orders. Third, you run the analysis. Fourth, and this is key, you filter for the pairs that are actually useful and profitable. And finally, the most important part, you turn those insights into action. Theory's one thing, but let's make this real. We're going to use this exact playbook to look at a concrete example from a real online store. Okay, check this out. What's so cool here is how one single insight just explodes into multiple revenue-generating actions. The analysis finds that people who buy the black dress often grab the gold hoop earrings too. Boom. From that one little fact, you can add a complete the look section, you can offer the earrings in the cart drawer, create an email bundle, you can even link your inventory so you don't run out of earrings when the dress is selling hot. Now that is turning data into dollars. The potential here is it's obviously massive. But let's be real, trying to execute this playbook over and over again brings up a big challenge for most businesses. And that brings us to the final piece of the puzzle, automating your growth. And there it is. That's the question that stops almost everyone dead in their tracks. Who actually has the time to dig through all those spreadsheets, run these analyses, and constantly update the site? It takes time, it takes expertise, and most small and medium-sized businesses just don't have that on hand. This really shows the difference perfectly. You've got the old way, manual, slow, clunky, and basically just based on guesswork. And then you have the new way, which completely transforms the process with guided, automated recipes and real data-driven insights. It's like the difference between using an old paper map versus just using your phone's GPS. And this new way, it's powered by a tool called Fig AI. So how does this thing even work? Well, the easiest way to think about Fig AI is like having an expert analyst right there for your business. The source material describes it as a chat-based engine that literally walks you through these proven recipes or workflows. It connects to your data and just guides you to these powerful insights, all without you needing a degree in data science. You know, the takeaway here is so simple. It is time to stop making decisions based on just gut feelings. The data you need to grow your store, it already exists. The real key is just unlocking it efficiently so you can discover the proven combinations your customers are already telling you they want. Kind of makes you wonder, doesn't it? What's that one unexpected power pair hiding in your sales data right this very second? Is it a dress and earrings? Maybe a certain coffee blend and a specific mug? The answer is just sitting there, waiting for you.